morning and assalamu alaikum. So our topic here is the product rule. So here our formula. So they have many forms of the formula. So yung iba gumagamit sila ng U and B. So dito, since we are talking about the function, so ang gagamitin natin ay f of x and g of x. So here our formula is d all over dx f of x and times g of x. So here our the given function. So here our formula. So f of x times g prime of x plus, since product rule yung gagamitin natin, so addition ang gagamitin natin. So g of x times f prime of x. So here our given. So ang given natin ay x cubed times x raised to the power of 5 negative 2. So, ang gagawin natin is kunin muna natin yung f of x and g of x. So, first, ang gawin natin is kunin muna natin yung f of x, yung ito, kunin muna natin, nilagay din ito. Ibaba natin siya. So, x cubed. So, ang next na gawin naman natin is kunin naman natin yung derivative ng ating x cubed, which is f of x. So, paano natin kunin yung derivative ng x cubed? So, since dito is gagamit tayo ng power rule. So, di ba, ang formula ng ating power rule is ganito. So, our formula of the power rule is n x to the power of n negative 1. So, ang gawin lang natin is isa-substitute lang natin. So ang gawin natin is, di ba, yung 3 natin, yung x natin is x cubed. So, since yung x is understood na may 1 dito, so i-multiply lang natin yung 3 times 1. So magiging 3 times 1 is equal to 3x. So since ang cube natin is cube negative 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 3x squared. Since 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, so ang nangyari is 3x squared na siya. So, ganito lang, ganun lang. So, the final answer, so ang derivative ng x cube natin ay 3x squared. So ngayon, kunin naman natin yung derivative ng ating x raised to the power of 5 negative 2. So, ang gawin natin is g of x is equal to, kunin muna natin to, first term. So, magiging x to the power of 5 raised to the power of 5 negative 2. So, ngayon, kunin naman natin yung derivative ng ating x raised to the power of 5 then negative 2. So, ang nangyari, so substitute lang natin siya. So, dito naman is gagamit din tayo ng power rule. So our formula of the power rule is nx raised to the power of n negative 1. So ngayon, ang gawin lang natin ay yung 5 x to the power of 5 negative. So, di ba may 1 na dito, so i-multiply lang natin siya. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Yung x, since yung x then, di ba may minus 1 dito? So 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4x. So here our derivative of 5 raised to the power of x negative 1. So magiging, ang derivative niya is 5x to the power raised to the power of 4. So since constant na siya, so hindi magiging 0 na lang siya. So magiging So ito lang yung derivative ng ating second term. So, paano naman natin, so ano naman yung gawin natin? So, ang gawin na natin is, kunin na natin yung, isa-substitute na lang natin siya. So, kunin natin yung ating formula. So, ganito lang siya. So, f of x times g prime of x plus, since product rule siya, so magiging positive na lang siya. So, plus g of x times f prime of x. So ngayon, ang gawin naman natin is isa-substitute natin siya. So, first kunin muna natin to. So, yung ating f of x, substitute natin. So, x cubed. So, g prime of x, so yung derivative niya, so derivative, itong kunin natin na, so substitute natin yung 5x to the raised to the power of 4. So, 5x raised to the power of 4. So, plus, baba natin. So, ngayon, kunin naman natin yung, ito naman yung isa-substitute natin. So, ganito. Kunin natin to, substitute natin, baba. X cubed, negative 2. So, ngayon, kunin naman natin yung derivative ng f prime of x. So, ito, 3x squared. So, substitute natin. So, 3x squared. So, ngayon, ang gawin naman natin is, i-multiply naman natin siya. So, i-multiply natin. So, first, ang gawin natin, so, nakalimutan. So, first, ang gawin natin is multiplication. So, x times 5x is equal to 5x. So, yung exponent na dalawa is add siya. Magiging add. So, magiging 5x raised to the power of 7. So, ngayon, ibaba na natin siya. Ibaba natin yung ating positive. So, positive. So, ngayon, ito naman yung i-multiply natin. So, x to the power of 5. So, yes, x raised to the power of 5, negative 2, then negative 2 times 3x times 3x squared. So, first, ang gawin natin is multiply muna natin to. So, x raised to the power of 5 times 3x squared. So, 3, sagot is 3x. So, yung exponent ng dalawa is, ang gawin natin is add natin siya. So, magiging x to the power of 7. So, ngayon, ito naman yung i-multiply natin. So, negative 2 times 3x squared. So, magiging, since negative siya, so nasa roots tayo ng multiplications is magiging negative siya. Negative 6x squared. So, next, ang gawin naman natin is, hanapin naman natin yung like terms niya. So, ganito. So, ang like terms dito ay ang 5x raised to the power of 7, then 3x raised to the power of 7. So, ang gawin natin is i-add natin siya. So, 5x raised to the power of 7 plus 3x raised to the power of 7. So, ang sagot ay x to the power of 7. So, since wala siyang like terms, so ibaba na lang natin siya. So, magiging negative 6x squared. So, that is the final answer. So, thank you.